doing a siding project and came across that. Whoever did that did not put underlayment or tar paper all the way to the ends. Or even underneath the flashing there. All the way up. Another issue, you guys see right over there on the rake boards, they put them over the battens. We've been stumbling upon a whole bunch of wasp nests. That's been fun. Thankfully most of them are dead. There's a good nest here. Yeah, look at that. Let me know if you guys have had similar experiences. Hi, Jeremy.
What up?
What's up, dude? All right, we're out. Back to it.